Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 19th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we are on the daily time frame. So the pound yen has been sitting at this resistance area for quite a while now. It does look like it wants to break down for sure, but because of my red Fibonacci retracement, I think that even if it does break down, it's gonna likely just be a pullback because I think this does need to go up to about the 202 area to hit that 78% Fibonacci retracement before we see a much bigger move to the downside. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, we don't really have any reason to start looking for shorts yet, in my opinion. I mean, right here, we definitely did go down. We did break structure, but in my eyes, that's kind of a minor structure because this is the last end of a correction right here. So the major structure is way down here. So technically, the trend is still up. Technically, we should probably still be looking for longs unless we do get that major breaker structure to the downside, which we obviously do not have yet. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.